Hello, my name is Haley and I am 10 years old. My hobbies is reading books. I've been into Kara Alexander. I love cooking. I love to do crafts with my family and I love coloring. My favorite subject is math. My favorite food is tacos, burritos. The burritos that I like is Bob's homemade, and a chicken salad. When I grow up, I want to be a nurse for kids. My birthday is July 15th, and I have 2 siblings. I have an older sister named Harley, and she's 4 years older than me, and she loves to make some music and puzzles together. Next up is my younger brother. He is 2 years younger. He loves to play with toy trains and cars.